Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device is updated and you have quick access to settings. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Display or Appearance. This is where System Themes live. You want to find Dark Mode, Theme, or Wallpaper controls now, so tap into them without detours. Make sure to note whether System Dark Mode affects apps and home screens separately, because that determines the next steps you'll take to apply a consistent look. You enable System Dark Mode or flip the manual theme toggle. Doing this applies a dark palette across UI elements. Once done, change the wallpaper to a dark or adaptive image so home screen widgets blend in. Choose one with low contrast and deep tones. Then, make sure app icons and widgets match by adjusting contrast or icon shape settings if available. If your launcher supports schedules, set a sunset to sunrise timer, so dark. You finish by inspecting the home screen, folders, and widgets to confirm everything adopted the dark theme. Open several apps and return to home to check consistency. If elements still look light, restart the launcher or reboot the device, which forces a theme refresh. Make sure to clear the launcher cache or reapply the theme if issues persist. This one quick fix resolves many mismatches. If problems continue, check for launcher or app-specific theme settings and update those individually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.